compliment the government of Goa for doing a very unique work. The kind of exhibition they've displayed here gives you a very unique flavor of not just Goa but of entire India. They bring out the character of our traditional artisans from all over India. It's really unique work. More than that, Goa is a spectacular destination for hospitality, and they've displayed it to perfection. And the gift they have curated is truly outstanding. It captures the great flavor, all the unique products of Goa in some small way or the other, including the artwork of the great artist Mirando, including all small little things, the local ties, the local craft, the local handlooms, all captured beautifully in a small tray. And these are small little things, but every visitor to Goa will take that back. So Goa's natural beauty is unique, fabulous hospitality, its colors, its flavors, its cuisine, and its handlooms and handicrafts will leave a lasting memory on the minds of all the G20 visitors to Goa. And I would like to compliment Mr. Rodrigues, who's done a great job in doing this. There are many more meetings going to happen in Goa. Some meetings have been held, many more will happen. People will get a unique flavor of Goa, and this is a great opportunity for Goa to promote and market itself as the world's greatest destination ever.